Hello and happy Valentine's Day, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Before we begin with the recipe, I want to thank all y'all again for all your thoughts and prayers for me and my family as we still grieving the loss of my grandmother. We had her service this past Saturday. I'm going to miss her so much, but she will always be in my heart. Again, thank you, everybody. Can you believe Valentine's Day? It's a week from today. OMG, it's upon us. Well, I got a great treat that will satisfy your sweetheart and also great for the spring and summer. We're going to make fresh strawberry cake. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And we're going to frost it with a fresh strawberry buttercream frosting. How yummy does that sound? And this cake is full of fresh and natural strawberry flavor. No artificial ingredients. If y'all a fan of strawberry cake, y'all gonna love this. And y'all will enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Valentine's Day treats recipes playlist and my previous video, Fudgy Brownies. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your cake pans, and get them strawberries puree sugar because we're about to bake some strawberry cake magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our strawberry reduction. In my blender, we're going to add in a pound of fresh strawberries that I rinsed and I removed the tops. And we're going to puree them until they smooth. Alright, my friends, I'm through pureeing my strawberries, and this is what it looked like. That looks great. Going to pour it into my large pot, and I have my fire over medium heat. Going to give it a quick stir. And we're going to let this cook and reduce down for about 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, this is what our strawberry reduction looked like. Nice and thick. And you see how it absorbs all the water from the strawberries? That looks great. Alright, so now we're going to let our strawberry reduction cool for about 30 minutes. You don't want to add this into the cake batter real hot, otherwise it'll mess up the batter. Alright, I'll see you in 30 minutes. Alright, my friends, our strawberry reduction is nice and cool. Now we're ready to make our cake. Let's get started with the dry ingredients first. Over here, I have my self-rising flour. We need 2½ cups. And if you don't have self-rising flour, you can use all-purpose flour and just add in a tablespoon of baking powder and ½ a teaspoon of salt. Going to fluff it up. And level it off. Like so. Voila, perfect cup. We're going to add it into our sifter and bowl. Need 1 more cup. Again, fluff it up. And level it off. That's 2. Now we need a half. And a perfect ½ a cup. Into our flour, we're going to add in a ½ a teaspoon of baking soda. And sift these together. Alright, now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. And into our butter, we're going to add in 2 cups of white sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. We're going to add them one at a time. Alright, my friends, to our butter mixture, we're going to add in 1 carton of strawberry Greek yogurt. Going to make the cake super moist. 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of pure strawberry extract. Give it an extra strawberry boost. And our strawberry reduction, a ½ cup. And this is optional. I'm going to add a few drops of red food coloring. I like my batter a little extra pinker. Or you can use pink food coloring. And we're going to mix this in until they're well blended. Alright, my friends, so now it's time to add in our last 2 ingredients. We're going to add in the flour mixture alternately with 1 cup of whole milk at room temperature. I know y'all shocked I'm not using evaporated milk, but I'm going to use whole milk for this recipe. So we're going to begin and end with flour. Alright, last of the flour. Mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, my friends, and just that quickly, our strawberry cake batter is complete. Isn't this a gorgeous pink? Smooth and silky. Nothing like the smell of fresh strawberries. And nothing but natural, pure strawberry flavor. My grandmother used to love strawberry cakes. I used to make one every year for our family reunions. Oh, everybody would go crazy over them. And this is one of my favorite cakes growing up. My mama used to make one every other weekend. Alrighty. Now we're ready to scoop our cake batter into our pans. We're going to scoop them into 2 9-inch round cake pans that's sprayed with baking spray and flour, or you could grease them with butter and flour. And I want to show y'all how I measure my cake batter. So I'm going to use one of my measuring cups. I'm going to use my half a cup. So I'm going to take some cake batter, going to scoop it, and pour it into the pan. So that way I have an even cake layer. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish scooping up my cake batter, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got all my cake batter into my pans. So now I'm going to shake them and bang them to get the air bubbles out. Now ready to put our cake in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 22 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell strawberry cake. I just taken them out of the oven. And it smells amazing. So now I'm going to let them cool in the pan for a few minutes, and then I'm going to remove them from the pan and let them cool completely on the wire rack. And while our cake's cooling, let's get started on our fresh strawberry buttercream frosting. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, and we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. All right, my friends, to our butter, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1½ teaspoons of pure strawberry extract, 1/4 cup of strawberry reduction, and this is optional. I'm going to add in just a few drops of red food coloring. All right, that's good. And we're going to continue mixing this until they're well combined. Alrighty, my friends, now we're going to add in 4 cups of powdered sugar, and I add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I sift it, or you can whisk it. Add it gradually. We're going to mix this in. Alrighty, my friends, our frosting is complete, and our cake is nice and cool. We're ready to give it some sugar. I have placed one of my cakes onto my cake plate, and I line it with wax paper for easy cleanup. So we're going to take a dollop of the frosting, put it on top, and spread it evenly all over, like so. Alrighty, now we're going to take our other half of the cake and put that on top, and add some frosting on the top. And again, spread it evenly all over. And then we're going to add some frosting on the side and spread that all over. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish icing my cake, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through icing my cake. So now we're going to gently remove the wax paper Give us a clean plate. Alrighty, gorgeous. There's one more thing we gotta add to it. Some fresh strawberries right on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Fresh strawberry cake. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Look at that beautiful slice of strawberry cake. And I garnished it with some strawberries on the side. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this texture, super moist. Look at that. Have a bite. So moist, it just melts in your mouth. Full of strawberry goodness. And that strawberry buttercream frosting is divine. Honey, this is no box strawberry cake mix. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Fresh strawberry cake-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Valentine's Day.